Yo, what's going on, guys? It's a true hustler's paradise. By 2025, over 30% of jobs will be remote. The way we work is changing fast, and AI is leading the charge. We're talking about AI opening up a whole new world of remote job opportunities that can literally change your life. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into 8 AI remote jobs that are going to be huge in 2025 and beyond. Jobs that can give you the freedom to work from anywhere, make serious bank, and future-proof your career. Okay, let's be real for a second. How many of you are stuck in a job you hate? You know, the kind where you're staring at the clock, counting down the minutes until you can finally escape the fluorescent-lit prison they call an office. You're not alone. Millions of people feel trapped in soul-crushing commutes, dealing with annoying coworkers, and just feeling completely unfulfilled. And the worst part? The traditional job market isn't making it any easier. It's competitive, unforgiving, and frankly, kind of outdated. But what if you could ditch the 9-to-5 grind, say goodbye to your boss, and work from anywhere in the world? The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. We're talking about AI remote jobs, and they're about to change everything. These are high-paying, in-demand roles that allow you to use cutting-edge technology to make a real impact. So if you're ready to break free from the traditional job market and step into a world of opportunity, keep watching, because things are about to get interesting. First up, we've got the AI data analyst. Now, I know what you're thinking. Data? That sounds boring. But trust me, this job is anything but boring. Think of an AI data analyst as a detective for the digital age. You'll be using your super sleuthing skills to analyze massive amounts of data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that help businesses make smarter decisions. You'll be working with cutting-edge AI tools and algorithms, which is way cooler than it sounds, I promise. Companies across every industry are desperate for talented AI data analysts because data is the new gold. This means you'll have your pick of job offers, command a seriously impressive salary, and work from anywhere with a decent Wi-Fi connection. Next up, we have the AI software developer, the masterminds behind the AI revolution. If you're passionate about technology, love coding, and have a knack for problem solving, then get ready to geek out, because this job is right up your alley. As an AI software developer, you'll be building the intelligent systems and applications that are shaping the future. We're talking self-driving cars, personalized medicine, virtual assistants that actually work. The possibilities are limitless. You'll be working with the most cutting-edge programming languages and AI frameworks, constantly learning and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. AI software developers are in high demand, which means you can command a hefty salary and work from anywhere in the world. So if you're ready to unleash your inner tech wizard and build the future of AI, then start sharpening your coding skills, because this remote job is calling your name. Chapter 4. AI, Customer Support Specialist, Making Bots Human Again. Okay, let's be real, nobody likes talking to robots. That's where AI Customer Support Specialists come in. This role is all about bridging the gap between AI and human interaction. You'll be training and fine-tuning AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to provide seamless and personalized customer experiences. Think of it like teaching a robot how to be more human. You'll be giving it the personality, empathy, and problem-solving skills it needs to make customers feel heard, understood, and valued. As an AI customer support specialist, you can work from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours and enjoying the freedom and flexibility that comes with a remote job. And with the rise of AI-powered customer service, this role is in high demand, meaning you'll have plenty of job opportunities and the potential to earn a great living. Chapter 5. AI Content Creator. Say goodbye to writer's block. Calling all wordsmiths, storytellers, and creative geniuses. If you love crafting engaging content but dread the blank page, then get ready to meet your new best friend, AI. As an AI content creator, you'll be using artificial intelligence to supercharge your writing, generate fresh ideas, and create content that captivates audiences. No more staring at a blinking cursor for hours on end. AI tools can help you overcome writer's block, suggest compelling headlines, and even generate different writing styles to keep your content fresh and engaging. You'll still be the creative genius behind the words, but with AI as your trusty sidekick, you'll be able to produce more high-quality content in less time. And with the demand for online content skyrocketing, AI content creators are in high demand. meaning you can command a great salary and enjoy the freedom of working remotely from anywhere in the world. Chapter 6, AI Marketing Strategist, Outsmart the Algorithm. Ever wonder how some companies seem to magically appear at the top of your search results? It's not magic, it's the work of an AI marketing strategist. If you're a marketing whiz who loves data, understands consumer behavior, and thrives in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, then get ready to level up your skills with the power of AI. As an AI marketing strategist, you'll be using artificial intelligence to analyze massive amounts of data, identify trends, and predict consumer behavior with uncanny accuracy. You'll be creating highly targeted marketing campaigns that reach the right people at the right time with the right message, maximizing your return on investment and leaving your competitors in the dust. And with the marketing landscape becoming increasingly data-driven, AI marketing strategists are in high demand, which means you can command a top-tier salary and enjoy the flexibility of working remotely. So if you're ready to become a marketing superhero, using AI to outsmart the algorithms and drive incredible results, then this might be your dream remote job. Chapter 7, AI Financial Advisor. Make money moves like a pro. Okay, let's talk money. We all want to make smart financial decisions, but let's be real. Managing your finances can be confusing, time-consuming, and downright intimidating. But what if you had an AI-powered financial advisor by your side, helping you make the best investment decisions and achieve your financial goals? That's the power of being an AI financial advisor. In this role, you'll be using artificial intelligence to analyze market trends, assess risk, and develop personalized financial plans for clients. You'll be like a financial guru, using cutting-edge technology to help people secure their financial future. And with the increasing demand for personalized financial advice, this role is only going to become more important in the years to come. So, if you have a head for numbers, a passion for finance, and a desire to help people achieve their financial dreams, then becoming an AI financial advisor might be the perfect remote job for you. Chapter 8, AI Healthcare Consultant, Saving Lives with Technology. Get ready to make a real difference in the world with this next AI remote job. As an AI healthcare consultant, you'll be at the forefront of a healthcare revolution, using artificial intelligence to improve patient outcomes and save lives. Imagine using AI to develop personalized treatment plans, predict outbreaks of infectious diseases, and accelerate the discovery of life-saving drugs. You'll be working with hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and other healthcare providers, helping them implement AI solutions that improve efficiency, reduce costs, and most importantly, provide better care for patients. This is a rapidly growing field with enormous potential to transform healthcare as we know it. As an AI healthcare consultant, you'll have the opportunity to make a real impact on people's lives while enjoying a rewarding and challenging career. So if you're passionate about healthcare, fascinated by artificial intelligence, and driven to make a difference in the world, then this might be the perfect remote job for you. Chapter 9, AI Life Coach, Level Up Your Life. Ever wish you had a personal coach to help you achieve your goals, overcome challenges, and live your best life? Well, now you can with an AI life coach. This is where artificial intelligence gets personal. As an AI life coach, you'll be using AI-powered tools and techniques to help people achieve their full potential in all areas of their lives. Think personalized goal setting, mindfulness exercises, productivity hacks, and even relationship advice, all powered by artificial intelligence. You'll be helping people identify their strengths, overcome limiting beliefs, and develop healthy habits that lead to greater happiness, fulfillment, and success. As an early adopter in the world of AI life coaching, you'll have the opportunity to make a real impact on people's lives while building a successful and fulfilling career. So, if you're passionate about personal development, love helping others, and are fascinated by the power of artificial intelligence, then becoming an AI life coach might be your calling. Your future is calling. So there you have it, guys. 8 AI remote jobs that are going to be absolutely huge in 2025 and beyond. From data detectives to marketing masterminds, from healthcare heroes to life-changing coaches, the future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Which AI remote job are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to unlock the power of AI and create a future that's full of purpose, passion, and endless possibilities.